Hello and welcome, Greg here from Jaguar Crewe, incredibly proud to be able to share with you this fabulous looking Jaguar F-Pace. Here available in the range-topping HSE black variant and finished in the exterior with this gorgeous Bluefire metallic colour that is certainly guaranteed to turn heads. Featuring LED headlights as well as upgraded gloss black alloy wheels with red brake calipers. But that's not all. This model also benefits from a sliding panoramic roof with a tilt and sliding function, as well as a black pack to complement the exterior. For added ease of use, power operated tailgate and keyless entry are also on offer with a hidden compartment underneath. Inside, ebony black leather with light oyster stitching will be available, supporting ISOFIX child anchor point and even center armrest. Inside the cabin, MERIDIAN sound system will be on offer with upgraded front sport seats with Jaguar logo embossed in them. Seats also feature 16-way heated, electric, cooling and memory function too. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel that is heated and supports paddle shifts for a more dynamic drive. Interactive driver display is capable of changing its looks and the layout, changing from 2 dials to 1 dial, or even displaying map view as well, completely eliminating everything, which is great to have when traveling on unfamiliar roads. This model also being all-wheel drive AWD, there's also various drive mode functions on offer. The likes of rain, ice, snow mode will be available, as well as economy prioritizing fuel efficiency. There is also a dynamic mode available, fully unlocking the 3-litre D300 potential of this car. Head-up display is also available, projected on the windscreen, and in the center, PV Pro touchscreen will also have all your entertainment needs covered. Featuring built-in satellite navigation with 2D and 3D mapping, Bluetooth connectivity to stay in touch with family and friends, as well as FM and DAB digital radio. Seats, as I mentioned, feature 3-stage heated or cooling depending on what you're looking for, and it's easy to operate on the move thanks to the large icons. Additionally, 3-tile functionality is available for the climate control system, allowing you to choose where the air blows, with the dynamic eye functionality offering more adjustability for the drive. Ambient lighting is available throughout the cabin and looks great when traveling at night, and to help you park, you'll be pleased to know there are front and rear sensors, fully complemented by a rear view camera with wide-angle lens. Moving down the cabin, 2-zone climate control system, wireless charger and even a heated front windscreen are some of the key highlights of this model, with easy controls for the sunroof.